An AI startup just raised over $1 billion yesterday. Not for another chatbot, for something that might put half the developers watching this video out of a job. Cognition AI, the company behind Devin, the autonomous AI software engineer, just closed a $1 billion funding round at a $26 billion valuation. That's more money than the GDP of 60 countries. 8 months ago, they were worth $10 billion. Yesterday, they hit $26 billion. The round was led by Lux Capital, General Catalyst, and 8VC, with Peter Thiel's Founders Fund throwing in money too. Here's the part that should terrify every developer. Cognition's revenue run rate just hit $492 million, up from $73 million in June. Their enterprise customers now include Goldman Sachs, Citi, Mercedes-Benz, and both the US Army and Navy. And the most insane stat? Cognition says 90% of their own codebase is now written by Devin, their AI software engineer. So what exactly is Devin? It's not another coding assistant like GitHub Copilot that gives you autocomplete suggestions. Devin is an autonomous AI software engineer. You give it a Jira ticket or describe a feature in plain English, and it goes off by itself to plan, code, test, and create pull requests. Real talk, most of you aren't subscribed. If a daily breakdown of the stuff big tech doesn't want you to know is your vibe, fix that. Unlike Cursor or Copilot, Devin operates independently in its own cloud environment. It has its own browser, terminal, and code editor. Companies are reporting 20 times cost savings using Devin for repetitive migration work. One customer said Devin can complete tasks in 3 hours that would take human developers days. And it never sleeps, never asks for a raise, and never argues about code review feedback. The technology behind it is genuinely impressive. Devin uses what they call a compound AI system, multiple specialized models working together. There's a planner model that handles strategy, a coder model trained on trillions of tokens, and a critic model that reviews everything for security vulnerabilities. It can handle legacy code migration, taking COBOL or Fortran codebases and refactoring them to modern languages while preserving all business logic. The SWE Bench benchmark shows Devin consistently outperforming every other coding AI. It's solving complex, multi-file bugs that require understanding entire code bases. This billion-dollar funding isn't happening in isolation. Cursor just raised at a $2.3 billion valuation. The AI coding tool market is exploding. Anthropic's Claude can now browse the web and run code. Google's Gemini just announced agent capabilities. OpenAI's next model will reportedly have full computer control. But there's a darker side nobody's talking about. The same VCs funding these AI coding companies are advising their portfolio companies to hire slow and automate fast. The math is brutal. A senior developer costs $200,000 a year. Devin costs $500 a month per seat. The ROI is undeniable. So what does this mean for developers? The junior positions are going first. The bootcamp to job pipeline that's created thousands of developer careers is about to get nuked. But the most successful developers in 2026 will be the ones who learn to work with these AI systems instead of competing against them. If you're a developer watching this, you have two choices. Start learning these tools now or get left behind when the future arrives.